الحمد لله رب العالمين الصلاة والسلام على خاتم النبيين وعلى آله وصحبه أجمعين أما بعد فأعوذ بالله من الشيطان الرجيم بسم الله الرحمن الرحيم قال الله تعالى في سورة الأعراف قال يا قوم ليس بي ضلالة ولكني رسول من رب العالمين. Translation. He said, My nation, I am not strayed in error, and I am a messenger from Rabb of the worlds. In the previous ayah, we studied that when Nuh alayhi salam called his people towards Tawheed, and the truth, they said that indeed we see you, surely that you have gone straight in error. And in today's ayah, Nuh alayhi salam said in very simple and clear words that my nation, I am not straight in error, and I am a messenger from the Rabb of the worlds, meaning that I have not been straight. I am on the straight path. However, you have been straight and you have lost the straight path of oneness and Tawheed, and you are involved in the polytheism. You are not recognizing the Prophet of Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala, who is giving you very clear message of Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala, who is calling you towards the straight path, and the messenger wants the betterment for you and the whole nation, but you are rejecting him. The prophet has the knowledge and has the guidance that you have lost. Let's pray that Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala give us true understanding of Quran, help us identify and follow the truth. Ameen. Wa akhiru da'wana alhamdulillahi rabbil alameen. Assalamu alaikum.